Create an informal requisition, guided flow. Informal requisitions are used to raise ad hoc orders and are the purchase plus equivalent of a free text purchase order. Click Documents. Click Requisitions. Click Plus Requisition. Ensure Informal Requisition is selected. Informal requisitions are used for ad hoc orders. Select your delivery address. If you have multiple delivery addresses, select the appropriate one for this order from the drop-down. Select the delivery date. This should be the date that you expect the goods to be delivered. This is also the date that the spend will come off of your budgetary spend in your profit-loss accounts. Send the purchase order to the supplier. If you want a copy of the purchase order to go to the suppliers, leave this ticked. If not, untick the checkbox. Enter a reference. This will appear on any invoice that relate to this order. You should input a general description of your order using any reference conventions your finance team have specified. For users with Sun, this text field is carried across when generating your invoice payable file. Click Save. Select the department you want to order for. The department will determine who approves the requisition. Select the AC account code. Open the drop-down menu or type a minimum of 3 characters to search for the account code by number or description. Click the green plus to add items to the requisition. Search for the product or service you want to order. Input your search term and hit enter on your keyboard to search. You need at least 3 characters for the search to start. For example, plumber or Christmas tree decoration. Select the description that suits your needs best. If you cannot find a suitable description, click here to learn how to create one. Input the quantity you want to order. You should take into account the pack size. Input the unit price. If you don't know the exact price, input a quoted price that you have received. Input the tax percentage, for example 10 or 0, not the dollar value. Select the supplier and then hit enter on your keyboard. Type in the box to search for the supplier. If you can't find the supplier, your finance team will need to create them. Once you have hit enter to save your choice, click here to close the pop-up. Once you have added all the items you need to the requisition, close the pop-up. Click Submit. This will send your requisition for approval. You have completed this task.